Hello, young adventurers! I'm Captain AHS. Today, we're going on a counting adventure. Join Mina, Saro, and Grandma as they count forward up to 120. We will count together, step by step, and have lots of fun along the way. Ready? Let's start!
Good morning, you two. I've just picked all these apples, but they need to be counted. Can you help me count them and put them into piles of 10 apples each? We'll count all the way up to 120.
Wow, that's a lot of apples. But we can do it, right, Saro? Of course we can, Mina. Let's start by counting the apples. Ready?
All right, here's the apples. Let's count them together.
Sure. I'll start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. These are 50 apples, Grandma. Let me do the next one. 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119, 120. Hooray! We've counted up to 120. And guess what? Now we know there are 120 apples in total.
You both did a fantastic job. And remember, counting is everywhere, whether it's counting apples or anything else.
Now, it's the time for quiz. Here's your first question. Which number comes after 7 when we count forward? Is it option A, 28, option B, 26, or option C, 17? Think about it. That's right. The correct answer is option A, 28. If we're counting forward from 52, what comes next? Is it option A, 58, option B, 42, or option C, 53? Think about it. Amazing! The correct answer is option C, 53. What comes after 88 when we're counting forward? Is it option A, 88, option B, 98, or option C, 89? Think about it. Perfect! The correct answer is option C, 89. If you're counting forward and at 96, what's the next number? Is it option A, 95, option B, 98, or option C, 97? Think about it. Fabulous! The correct answer is option C, 97. Here's your last question. If you're counting forward and at 110, what's the next number? Is it option A, 105, option B, 111, or option C, 120? Think about it. Excellent! The correct answer is option B, 111. Next time, we're going to do something even cooler. We'll learn how to count backward from 120 all the way down to 1. It's going to be a fun challenge. So get ready for some exciting new adventures in reverse. Stay tuned!